Hello, everyone, and welcome to Easy English Stories, the podcast where we help you learn English with simple and fun conversations.
Hi everyone, I'm Ben, and today we have a funny and a little scary story. It's called The Lost Wallet.
Oh, that sounds interesting already. So, Ben, tell us what happened.
Well, it all started last Saturday morning. I went to the market to buy some fruit and vegetables. The weather was sunny, and the market was very busy.
Nice. I love markets. All the colours, the sounds, and the smell of fresh bread.
Exactly. I bought apples, bananas, and a small bag of oranges. I also stopped to buy some coffee because it smelled amazing.
Sounds like a nice morning so far.
Yes, it was. Until I went to pay for the coffee and realized something terrible.
Oh no, don't tell me. You lost your wallet.
Yes, my wallet was gone. It had my ID, my cards, and even a small lucky photo of my dog.
That's awful. Did you panic?
A little bit, yes. I checked my bag, my pockets, even under the coffee table. Nothing.
What did you do next?
I tried to stay calm. I told the coffee seller that I might have dropped my wallet somewhere in the market.
Did anyone see it?
One old man said he saw something brown on the ground near the fruit stall. But when we went there, it was just a brown paper bag.
Oh no, so the search continued.
Exactly. I walked around the market again and again. I asked at least 10 people if they had seen a black wallet.
That's a lot of walking.
It really was. I was starting to feel tired and sad. I thought maybe my wallet was gone forever.
That's the worst feeling. Losing something important.
Yes, and then something funny happened.
Oh? What was it?
I saw a small boy with a balloon, and he was pointing at something on the ground near a fruit box. Guess what it was?
The wallet.
Yes, my wallet. It was under the box the whole time.
Wow. What a lucky moment.
Very lucky. The boy's mother smiled and said, "Maybe your wallet wanted some oranges too."
That's adorable. Did you thank them?
Of course. I thanked them many times. I even bought the boy a small balloon in the shape of a star.
That's sweet. You know, this story teaches an important lesson.
Yes, never panic too fast, and always check under the fruit box.
True. And maybe don't keep all your money and cards in one wallet.
That's a good idea. After that day, I started using a small card holder and keeping some extra cash in my phone case.
Smart move. So what did you do after finding it?
I finally enjoyed my coffee. And it tasted even better after that little adventure.
I bet. Relief coffee always tastes best.
That's true. I also called my mum later and told her the story. She said, "Ben, you lose things every year."
Mums always know, right?
Yes, she was right. Last year, I lost my umbrella for a week.
So you have a history of losing and finding.
I prefer to call it adventure collecting.
That's a positive way to see it.
Yes, I think learning English is a bit like that. Sometimes we lose a word, but then we find it again later.
Wow, that's a great comparison.
Thank you. The important thing is to stay calm and keep learning. Just like I stayed calm to find my wallet.
Exactly. So, listeners, what about you? Have you ever lost something important? Maybe your keys, your phone, or even your homework?
You can tell us your story in simple English. It's great practice.
Yes. Try using sentences like, I lost my wallet yesterday, or I found my phone under the sofa.
That's good vocabulary practice. Lose, find, wallet, market, pocket.
And also words like worried, search, and lucky.
Perfect. Maybe we should repeat some useful phrases from the story.
Good idea. Okay, repeat after us, listeners. I lost my wallet.
I can't find it.
Where is it?
Don't worry. Stay calm.
Oh, here it is.
That's the best ending.
It really is.
So, that was today's story. The Lost Wallet.
We hope you enjoyed it and learned some new English words.
Remember, learning English is like finding a wallet. Sometimes you lose words, but if you keep looking, you'll always find them again.
Beautifully said, Ben.
Thank you.
And thank you, listeners, for joining us today.
Don't forget to smile, practice your English, and check your pockets.
Yes! See you next time on Easy English Stories.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!